Hey everyone, I'm Madan Mohan. In this video, I'm going to talk about switch and case in JavaScript. So in the previous video, we have seen how to write programming using if and else in JavaScript. So before we talk about switch case in JavaScript, let me talk about else if condition in this. We just seen how to write if and else condition here. With if and else, we can check only one condition. If the condition is true, then the first one will get executed. If it is false, the second one will get executed. This is about if and else. What if I want to check one more condition? That's where else if will come into the picture. Let me change this a bit. Instead of age, let me take time variable here and let me set this time to 6. Alright, now let's change this to time. If it is less than 12, it should supposed to display good morning. Okay, now the second condition, I want to write 3 conditions here. That's where else if will come into the picture. Else if condition time less than 16 and open the braces, write one more console statement here. Good afternoon. Else it should display good evening. Like this, in case if you want to check more than one condition, that's where we can use else if. And how many conditions you want to check, you can check with multiple else ifs. Here I just used one else if. In case if you want to check one more condition, you can repeat one more else if here. Like this, you can keep adding else ifs if you want. That's where this else if can be used. Alright, let me talk about switch and case in JavaScript. Let me remove this and this one as well. First, you need to understand the syntax of switch and case. So it starts with switch and then you need to give the expression in it. Okay, expression needs to be provided inside this parenthesis and then code block, right? Inside which we'll add multiple cases. Case value needs to be provided here. Value, let's say value 1 colon. Next, if this value has been matched with this expression, then whatever you want to execute, that statement has to be passed here. Okay, console.log its value 1. Okay, once you're done with the first case, you need to break this line and go to the second case. We'll be adding multiple cases here. There's just the first case. We'll go for, before we go for second case, we need to add a break. This break can actually help to terminate the block here. So go with the next case. Case this time value 2 colon then console again. Display its value 2. Then again break. Now at the end, if you want to write the last one, instead of writing case, we'll put it as default console.log value 3. After the end of this default line, we need not use break. Now let me explain this. Whenever you have written an expression here, if this expression has matched with the value 1, then only this statement will execute. If not, it will go for the next one. As you have used the break here, it will come out of this case and it will check the second value. It will check again whether this value has matched with this expression or not. If it matches with it, then the second statement will get executed. If not, the last one, default one, will get executed and the last statement will get printed. In case of this two got failed, then the last one will get executed and it will get displayed on the output. Okay, let me write a program using this. I'm just declaring a variable here called fruit equals to, I'm setting it to mango. Now I'll add this fruit here. Now, so the mango got assigned to a variable called fruit. Let's replace this expression with fruit. Now whatever the value which is assigned to the fruit, will check with this values here. Alright, let me provide the values. Inside the quotes, let's add apple. Now console should display apple. Break, second value is mango. Should add quotes. This time it should display it's mango. Then the default one would be, I'm just giving some random statement here. Okay, let's save this and check the output. Fresh and see. It has displayed it's mango. What if I change this to grape here, and if I refresh, now let's see, it's grape. So what you need to understand here is how it works. The example that I have shown you is just to make sure you understand the concept. Once you switch here, inside which you need to add an expression. If this expression has matched with the value inside the case, then only a specific code block will get executed. That's how it works. This is how you can make use of switch and case in JavaScript. See you in the next video.